Hello everyone. Today we are at Nanjing Road, a pedestrian-only zone lined with neon lights, major brands and historic department stores. You can find international high-end brands to local specialties, and the area is a mix of high-end retail, traditional stores and restaurants. Originating in 1851 as Park Lane, it was rebranded as Nanjing Road in 1865. It was a major center for international trade following the Opium War, and it retains significant European-style architecture from the early 20th century. This eastern part of the Nanjing Road is the main shopping district of Shanghai and is one of the world's busiest shopping streets, along with Fifth Avenue, Oxford Street and Champs-Élysées. Nanjing Road links the Bund in the east to People's Square in the west. We're now here at the silk factory. Here we were shown how the silkworm feeds on mulberry leaves and grows into the pupa stage. How silk is processed from the cocoons and then spun into silk threads, which are used in weaving the silk fabric. I wouldn't call this a factory. There is a wide range of silk products on display and for sale. After exiting the silk factory, we took some group photographs and then moved on to visit the Yew Gardens. We're driving past the Bund region of Shanghai. After getting off the bus, we're walking towards the Yew Gardens. You can see lots of Chinese lamps decorating the pathway. I was hoping to see a traditional Chinese garden, but it looks like this is the Yuyuan Bazaar or Yu Bazaar, which is a vibrant commercial district in Hangpu District, Old Shanghai, surrounding the historic 16th century Yu Gardens. It's famous for its traditional Chinese architecture and offers bustling shopping for souvenirs, crafts, and tea. Apart from tourists, people wear diverse Chinese clothing to celebrate cultural heritage. The diversity in clothing stems from different Chinese dynasties like the Han, Tang, and Ming dynasties, having distinct style. It is a popular trend for taking photographs wearing traditional outfits in scenic and historic locations, often with a professional photographer. So we come to the end of a Yu Garden visit, but obviously we've seen just the bazaar. Our next stop is AP Plaza for shopping. Nampo is a cable-stayed bridge featuring two distinctive H-shaped towers made of reinforced concrete. One of its most famous features is a massive circular or spiral interchange on the Puxi side. This unique vertical corkscrew design was engineered to lift traffic to the bridge deck while minimizing the urban land footprint. The Nanpu Bridge was completed in 1991 and was the first bridge in downtown Shanghai to span the Hangpu River, connecting the Puxi and Pudong districts. The overall shape is meant to resemble a coiling dragon raising its head. Here we are at AP Plaza Market, Shanghai. Although its official name is the Science and Technology Museum Market, almost everyone knows it as the famous Shanghai Fake Market. Here the prices are negotiable and sometimes it could come down to 1/4 of the asking price. After shopping, it's now dinner time. In my next video, we shall see the Shanghai Museum. This is an autonomous indoor service robot designed for restaurants. They operate using a combination of AI, LiDAR sensors, machine vision, and a precise mapping to navigate the environment without human intervention. Watched a bit of Chinese TV and called it a day.